Hello everyone, my name is Island, representing Group 6. Today, my group would like to present the topic Preparing documents for reporting rights from Vietnam to New Zealand under CFR conditions Incoterm 2010. To begin, I would like to present the reasons for choosing the topic. In general, we all know that Vietnam is a rice exporting powerhouse, always in the top 3 in the world, and plays an important role in the economy. This not only contributes to ensuring food security, but also enhances Vietnam's trade position. So, why did our group choose the New Zealand market? This is a small but very potential market with stable demand, mainly thanks to the Asian community. In 2024, Vietnam will be the fourth largest rice supplier to New Zealand. More importantly, this is a market with high quality requirements but low competition. Regarding trade terms, the group focuses on CFR cotton freight because CFR allows Vietnamese enterprises to be proactive in chartering ships and negotiating freight rates, thereby reducing logistic costs. Finally, this topic has practical and scientific significance. In practice, it clarifies the import process, helping enterprises improve their capacity and confidence in negotiating contracts, in value learning materials for students. This is our contract. Contract analysis. General introduction. International sales contract for 5% broken Vietnamese meal rice between Vietnam and Chile, signed on June 28, 2013, applied according to GAFTA 125 to 1990 edition. Product name: Vietnamese rice produced in July 2013. Quantity 100 tons. Tolerant plus or minus 5%. 50 kilograms or 100 kilogram bags. Allowable error less than 0.1 kilogram. Pricing USD, MT, CFR Valparaiso, Chile, fixed price. Total value 44,700 USD plus 5% error when selling. Delivery: no partial delivery. Deadline in 15th of July 2013. Loading port: anytime in Vietnam, corner, Valparaiso, Chile. Download the load. Full delivery information must be informed. Payment in USD. Payment that signed via irrevocable letter of credit, LC, received by Vietnamese bank. Packaging and marking: 50 kilograms or 100 kilogram bags. Sealed, suitable for sea transport. Brand: familiar. Penalties and compensation: the breaching party is fined 15% of the contract value and compensate for actual damages, lost profits, cost of repair and protection of rights. Insurance and force majeure: insurance borne by the buyer. Force majeure events: war with ICC evidence, delivery within 1 month. Arbitration and exhaustion: the contract does not specify the need. Other terms: the contract is in English, effective from June 28, 2013, include 4 originals. Each party keeps 2 copies, signed by the director of the sea. Business responsibilities: the seller is responsible for delivering the goods, chartering the ship, paying freight, export costs, and transferring the risk when the goods pass the ship rail. The buyer purchases insurance and receives the goods at the destination port. Chapter 3: Export process. Step 1. Apply for an export license. The purpose is to apply for a certificate of eligibility for an export business issued by the Ministry of Industry and Trade. The dossier includes application, business registration certificate, warehouse, factory documents, confirmation minutes of the department, processing time 15 days. Submit directly or online at dịch vụ công.mới.gov.vn. Result: receive certificate of eligibility for rice export. Step 2. Prepare goods, pack and mark. Includes 4 parts. 1. Preparation of goods, 5% broken white rice. 2. Packaging, 50 to 100 kg sea-free packaging. 3. Marking, familiar, brand. Inspection, VINA control checks before exporting at the port. Step 3. Renting a vehicle. The group chooses Hyperload to transport from Ho Chi Minh City to the Chilean port. Main activities: determine the needs, check the schedule and proceed with booking to get shipping information after delivery and the ship sails. We receive the bill of landing, BL. The cost of renting a ship is about 15,000 USD for 4 containers. Estimated shipping time is 45 days. Step 4. Request LC payment. This is the step to ensure financial security. We ask the buyer to open a letter of credit, LC, at their bank. Purpose: ensure the seller will receive payment when presenting a complete set of documents. Note: in practice, the buyer usually had to deposit an amount of money over 100% of the contract value to open an LC. Step 5. Quantity and quality inspection. Before the goods are loaded onto the ship, we hire an independent unit to inspect the shipment. Purpose: confirm that the shipment meets to the correct quantity and quality standards according to the contract. Result: we receive a certificate of quantity and a certificate of quality. To require documents to complete the LC payment file, the estimated inspection cost is about 1,000 to 1,500 USD for 100 tons. In step 6, the entire process includes 6 main stages that follow. First, prepare documents. All of these documents are the legal basic for customs authorities to compare and approve customs clearance. Second, declare electronic declaration. Third, pay taxes and fulfill financial obligations. Rice is not subject to export tax. Fourth, customs clearance. After the documents are valid, customs officers will check, confirm and grant clearance. Fifth, delivery to the port. The container is sealed and taken to the port of departure. The setup documents is sent to the buyer to make payment via LC. Finally, archive records. In addition to the above process, there are 6 types of mandatory documents to note. 1. Commercial invoice, showing the value and delivery conditions. 2. Packing list, clearly stating the quantity, weight, and container code. 3. Plant quarantine certificate, certifying that the rice is free of pests. 4. Quality certificate, ensuring that the goods meet export standards. 5. CHʾ bill, proving ownership of the goods. 6. Export license, issued by the Ministry of Industry and Trade according to Decree 107/2018 and 103/2021. Step 7. Export delivery. Looking at this, we have important information such as shipment, shipping company. Step 8. Notify the buyer. This is an extremely important step. This helps them to proactively monitor the schedule and prepare a plan to receive the goods.
Welcome to more Hapag-Lloyd. From now on, we stand for more connections, more service, more competence, more capacity, and most importantly, more yours. Our new service network spans the globe with optimized transit times and greater efficiency than ever. Most importantly, it is specifically designed to cater to your needs. We will be connecting more than 130 major ports worldwide with direct weekly calls. For you, as a leading member of the Alliance, we have pushed to create a network optimized for fast transit times. Among its various strengths, our comprehensive product will offer you 14 weekly services across the Atlantic and 8 lean and very fast connections between Europe and Asia. And with our enlarged presence in the Middle East, you will have more choices than ever. As a leading carrier in all Latin American trades, we employ state-of-the-art vessels specifically designed to serve your reefer needs. But more Hapag-Lloyd also means more innovation. We are leading the way in customized container solutions with our developments like the steel floor container, which enables odorless and environmentally friendly transportation, or the hard-top container, designed for effortless stuffing and cargo protection. With Hapag-Lloyd, your cargo is in the best hands. We have developed powerful and reliable systems to eliminate potential risks and ensure a seamless flow of your supply chain. But most importantly, our highly experienced local staff will always be there for you wherever you are in the world. Come on board, join us on this journey and find out what more Hapag-Lloyd can do for you.
Step 9. Prepare a set of payment documents including the following documents: phytosanitary certificate, quality certificate. In this section, we will go into step 10 of the export contract. Receive payment via LC. First, to be able to pay by LC, the two parties need to sign a foreign trade contract and clearly agree on the important contents, including payment value, delivery period, documents to be presented, and the type of LC used. This is the legal basis for the bank to issue LC according to the agreement. Next, the buyer will open an LC at the bank. At this time, the seller is responsible for checking on the contents of the LC, such as the name of the goods, quantity, delivery period, and document requirements. Careful checking at this step helps to limit errors leading to delays or rejection of payment later. After that, the goods will be delivered. When the delivery is completed, the seller prepares the payment documents. This set of documents usually includes commercial invoice, bill of lading, packing list, phytosanitary certificate, and quality certificate. These are mandatory documents according to LC regulations.
When the documents are completed, the seller presents them to the bank. The issuing bank will check, and if the documents are in accordance, the payment will be transferred according to the terms of the LC. Without LC, receive money immediately after the bank accepts. With using LC, receive money according to the agreed term. Step 11 is the complaint handling process. If a dispute arises, first, the two parties priority mediation or negotiation. If the result is still not achieved, the dispute can be brought to arbitration or court. In case of violation, the applicable penalty for breach of contract is 15% of the contract value. In addition, the party causing damage must compensate according to the following factors: direct actual damage, lost profits, and reasonable costs incurred. The contract also stipulates that the applicable law is GAFTA 125, and the commercial terms are interpreted according to the GAFTA 1990 version and related appendices. Finally, step 12, contract liquidation and record keeping. In this step, the two parties compare and confirm the actual delivery volume, quality of goods, and set of documents. At the same time, check all payments and any costs incurred, if any. After that, the two parties draw up a contract liquidation record, confirming that all obligations have been fully performed. There are no more disputes and the contract officially ends. In addition, the type of rights afforded in this contract belong to HS Group 1006.30, in which 5% broken rights used HS code 1006.30. Thus, from delivery, document completion, payment receipt, dispute settlement to contract liquidation, this is the entire closed process of the final stage in an export contract by LC.
Conclusion: the group has systematized the export process, analyzed the contract responsibilities, costs, risks, and fully understood the set of export documents. Recommendations: improve logistics and Incoterm capacity, apply technology in declaration and traceability, ensure the quality of goods according to international standards. Thanks for everyone listening our presentation.